name is Jean and you're watching Pattern Studio 101 tutorial video. Welcome! This is the last video of low-waist dress pattern makings. We've completed drafting. You have the back and front, skirt and sleeve and neck facings. And I think you already traced them out, right? So today I'm going to show you how much seam allowances you need to add to all the pattern pieces. Let's begin. These are pattern pieces you draft. Back, front, facings, sleeve, and skirt. Trace them out. Don't forget notches and drill holes. It's gonna be like this, right? Don't worry about these little guys, they're just software stuff. So we're gonna add seam allowance from here. Let's start with the back. 3/8 of an inch on the neck and armhole line. We're gonna add 1/2 inch seam allowance to the rest of them. On the shoulder, side seam, center back, and the hem. Add notches for indicating the seam allowance. For the front, basically the same as the back. 3/8 of an inch on the neck and armhole, 1/2 inches to the shoulder, side seam, and the hem. We don't add seam allowance on the center front because it's a fold line. Check if you have notches for the seam allowance. Move to the sleeve. 3/8 of an inch to the armhole, 1/2 inch to the inseam, and 1.5 inches on the sleeve hem. Look at this sleeve hem. The seam allowance should be mirrored to the hemline. For the skirt, 1/2 inch to the top line which is low waist, right? And also 1/2 inch on the side seams, both of them. And 1.5 inches to the hem. Back neck facing, 3/8 of an inch to the neckline, 1/2 inch to the shoulder, and center back. We are not going to add seam allowance on the bottom of the facing line. This is the front facing. 3/8 of an inch on the neck, 1/2 inch on the shoulder. That's it. We don't add seam allowance on the center front because it's gonna be a fold line, and we don't add seam allowance on the bottom of the facing. So you have all the pattern pieces ready to cut. So there you have it. You have all the pattern pieces ready to cut. How was it? Is it too complicated or is it too easy? Let me know what you think and how your journey was. If you have any questions, please comment below and have a wonderful week. I'll see you in the next video.